After learning to record your screen and camera, record camera only or screen only, the next thing that we're going to learn in this section of the tutorial is how to convert text to speech. Okay, so you can pick any text from anywhere. That's one of the advantages of Clipchamp. And the best part of it is that some of its readers, they sound very close to human. They are not too robotic as we have in other software around. The ones with Clipchamp are actually sounding a little bit natural, okay? And you can see the human nature in them. You can feel the human touch in them. So let's give it a try. And all you need to do is to open your Clipchamp, and then you can come to record and create over here. And then you can come down here, okay, from the home tab. Okay, so from create over here, so you can just come to record something, and then you can come to text to speech. Okay, that's our focus for today. So you select the language. What kind of text to speech do you want to do? The language, is it English Nigeria or English Philippines or English Singapore or English South Africa? You can just select. So for now, let's say English Nigeria, and then you can select the voice. Who do you want to read? Okay, this is Abio or Ezine. You can have a preview if you want, and then you have the voice style. You select the voice style from here, okay, and then you have the speed. You want it to be slow or regular or fast, depending on you. If you want it to be fast, you can set it to be fast. If you want it to be slow, you can set it to be slow. If you want it to be regular, you can set it to be regular. And I think I prefer regular. And then you can come here and select the voice pitch. How do you want it to pitch? Is it extra low, low, medium, high, extra high, or default? And I think for now, let's go with the default. And then over here, you have to type the text that you want to put in. Okay, so let's give a simple text. Welcome to my channel, and please remember to subscribe. So let's hear a sample of reading from this reader. Okay.
Welcome to my channel, and please remember to subscribe.
I think the English sound Nigerian. If you want to change it to something like United States or India, you can see, let's see English India, and let's hear a preview of it.
Welcome to my channel, and please remember to subscribe.
And I think that's correct. Okay, so when you select a given country, you have a number of readers. For example, India, you have Nirja or Narja and Prabhat. Okay, Prabhat. So these are the two readers. But you can go to English United States if you want. Let's go down to English United States, and let's hear a preview also.
Welcome to my channel, and please remember to subscribe.
And I think that sounds cool to me, and we can use it to read anything. So for example, we can copy a text from somewhere. Let's say with this water tank. Let's copy a simple sentence from here, or two sentences. Let's copy and then go back to the same place, and then we can paste it over here. Just select and replace this, and then let's have a preview.
Storage tanks are built for storing water, liquid petroleum, petroleum products, and similar liquids. Analysis and design of such tanks are independent of chemical nature of product.
I think this sounds fantastic. It's not robotic, it's regular, and it's very, very clear. And you can see a number of other readers from here. If you want to use English United States, you will have a lot of readers that you can use. Let's try Jacob, just a simple preview.
Storage tanks are built for storing water, liquid petroleum, petroleum products, and similar liquids.
I think it sounds good, and I like this regular nature and the default pitch. If you want to pitch in, you can just go ahead and give it a try and see what you can vary to see a different variation of the recording or of the text. And if you're done with everything, I think I like what I hear, so I can go ahead and save to media. So once you click on save to media, it's going to prepare it and import it into your timeline. So right now it's been imported. You can see it over here. All you need to do,
storage tanks are built for storing water.
You just to click on the plus sign over here, and it's been added to your timeline. So you can come over here and try to preview it.
Storage tanks are built for storing water.
I think that sounds and looks fantastic, right? So for now, I think that does it for converting text to speech, except if you want to export it, you can just go ahead and come over here and say export. You can export up to 1080p, which is what if you like, you can just go ahead and export. If you have added some media also, I think it's better to add some video footage or some images so you can export very nicely. So you can just come over here, select the format, and then export, just like we've explained earlier. So I think that does it for this tutorial on how to convert text to speech using Clipchamp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.